This is not your average van. This is the future of luxury travel on wheels, from none other than BMW. Welcome to the channel, and today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about vehicles of 2026, the all-new BMW Luxury van. At first glance, the front of the 2026 BMW van makes one thing clear: it's a showstopper. With BMW's signature twin kidney grilles, now more sculpted than ever and enhanced with a digital LED matrix, the front fascia oozes confidence. Sleek laser headlights blend seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a futuristic, spaceship-like presence. The lower bumper features active aerodynamics, enhancing performance and efficiency on long highway cruises. And yes, this isn't just a utility van, it's a moving work of art. Moving to the rear, the 2026 BMW van continues its clean, futuristic theme. A single-piece full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the tailgate, with bold BMW badging and modern contours giving it a commanding presence. The power sliding doors on both sides hint at luxury MPV convenience, while flush-mounted handles and a low step-in height ensure accessibility without sacrificing elegance. This isn't just a rear end, it's a tech-infused, practical design statement. Step inside and you're immediately transported into a BMW lounge on wheels. The front cockpit is clean, ultra-modern, and unmistakably BMW. Featuring a dual curved display layout with iDrive 9, a crystal rotary controller, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The captain's chairs are sculpted in Nappa leather with massage, heating, and cooling functions. But the rear, that's where the magic happens. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, this van is powered by BMW's latest Gen 6 electric platform, similar to what we see in the iX and the upcoming i7 Touring. Expect dual-motor all-wheel drive, delivering around 450 horsepower and 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Yes, for a van. With a battery pack offering over 400 miles of range, fast charging capabilities, and adaptive air suspension, this van isn't just smooth. It's silent, powerful, and smart. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. While BMW hasn't released the official numbers just yet, insiders estimate the starting price to be around $120,000, with fully loaded configurations nearing $160,000, depending on custom features like built-in kitchenettes, rear entertainment systems, and executive workstations. According to industry sources and leaked production schedules, the 2026 BMW Luxury van is expected to debut officially in early Q1 of 2026. With European and North American deliveries beginning by summer 2026.